In this video, we're looking at what owners and experts are saying about the fifth and final generation Hyundai Accent, which ran model years 2018 to 2022 inclusive. We'll also dive into how you can use that information to make a better purchase decision when shopping for a used one. With an eye for improved driving dynamics, efficiency, and engineering, the most affordable Hyundai never looked or drove better. The fifth generation car brought a long list of modern must-haves, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, forward collision avoidance, LED lighting, a 7-inch display touchscreen, and more. Under the hood, it's a 1.6-liter four-cylinder with gasoline direct injection technology, spinning up 130 horsepower and 119 pounds of torque. A lower ride height, more aerodynamic underside, and retuned steering and suspension systems gave this generation Accent its quietest and most upscale drive yet, and shoppers will find nearly 104 cubic feet of passenger volume. That's good for a compact size classification despite primarily competing with smaller subcompact cars like the Toyota Yaris and Ford Fiesta. So whether you're looking for your first car or a second family runabout that's well equipped and easy on gas, the fifth generation Accent should hit the mark. Now let's set you up with 5 tips to help you find the best used one that you can for the dollar. Yearly updates. Since its model year 2018 launch, 2 notable updates were applied to the Accent. 2019 brought minor cosmetic tweaks that saw more upscale touches fitted more widely throughout the entire product lineup. So if you're looking for a flashier looking car for less money, a 2019 or newer Accent from this generation might be the way to go. For model year 2020, fuel efficiency was improved with a new engine from Hyundai's SmartStream family, and the new Intelligent Variable Transmission or IVT helped further improve consumption figures. So look for a 2020 or newer Accent to make the best use of your fuel dollars while delivering stronger styling payback for the buck, thanks to those cosmetic tweaks applied the previous year. Temperature gauge and heating. Some owners have reported issues with inaccurate engine temperature gauges and difficulty in getting the Accent's engine to warm up on the coldest days of the year. Most have not. On your test drive, monitor the temperature gauge, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the dial within a minute or 2 of driving. Then confirm that you're able to blast hot air into the cabin by maxing out the heater, and confirm that hot air is readily available and consistent. If the engine fails to warm up or heat the cabin, have the vehicle's cooling system, including the thermostat and coolant level, inspected professionally, and ensure the cabin air filter isn't plugged or clogged. A healthy cooling system, thermostat, and cabin air filter are vital to adequate performance of your vehicle's heater and defroster, especially in wintertime. During a pre-purchase inspection, a technician can quickly uncover and diagnose problems with these systems if you have any concerns. Dash rattles. Some owners have reported an irritating, sporadic rattle from their dashboard that seems to come and go at will, and may be aggravated by certain temperature or road surface conditions. Most have not. The owners community has documented various cases of annoying dash rattles in the Accent and other models, with some forum users even suggesting the formation of a dash rattle therapy group. So on your test drive, quiet the cabin and listen closely for any sign of this loud rattle or a ticking or popping sound, especially over rough surfaces. The likely culprit is a worn-out piece of cushioning foam that isolates the defroster vent trim from the windshield on the forward dash. When this foam wears out, contact between the 2 hard surfaces is possible, and many owners have had this problem fixed with removal of the trim piece and replacement of the sound-deadening foam inside. Fuel injectors and engine care. Some Accent owners from this generation have reported bad fuel injectors which can become stuck open or fail to operate properly, causing a variety of issues with drivability and performance. Most have not. If the used Accent you're driving seems to hesitate, stumble, or fail to deliver adequate smooth power at full throttle, be sure to have a professional investigate further. A small number of cars seems to have been built with a bad batch of fuel injectors which can cause issues like these. If an injector is stuck open, you might notice smoke from the Accent's tailpipe as well. Though a check engine light or CEL is common when an engine isn't running properly, it may not illuminate in this situation, so for maximum peace of mind, consider a diagnostic scan in a dealer setting before you buy, whether or not you see a check engine light. Out-of-warranty injector repair can be pricey, so be on the lookout for this fairly rare but noteworthy problem. Infotainment system checkup. The most common issues with modern cars are electronic and not mechanical in nature, with the infotainment system being a key culprit in many cases. Though most Hyundai Accent owners from this generation do not report infotainment system trouble, test driving shoppers are advised to make a few specific checks to ensure they don't face any surprises or headaches after their purchase. So start by confirming an adequate number of USB connectors and charge ports and ensuring each works as expected. Inspect the factory navigation system for outdated maps or software. Make a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone and confirm acceptable audio quality for both streaming music and making phone calls. And if you'll use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, confirm that the system loads up and works as expected after the initial setup procedure, and if that's not the case, a new data connection cable often fixes connectivity issues like these. These tips were designed for test driving shoppers to more easily identify problems reported by some owners. A careful and attentive test drive and shopping process that focuses on the areas we just covered can help you find a first-class copy of a second-hand Hyundai Accent. If you found this video useful, we've got plenty more like it, so consider leaving a like down below if you learned something new. Head over to Driving.ca for the latest used car news and reviews, and subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new upload. I'm Justin Pritchard, and until next time, take care and drive safe.